Welcome to our latest feature, showcasing the soft play equipment installed at Playdium in Surat. This dynamic play zone is designed exclusively for kids, offering a fun-filled and safe environment where young minds and bodies can explore, learn, and grow through play. Let's take a closer look at some of the exciting features that make this soft play area truly special. Starting off, we have the wall climber with foam cubes. This exciting climb and play element allows children to develop their climbing skills while safely exploring the soft foam cubes below. The wall climber promotes physical activity, helping kids build their strength and coordination in a playful setting. Next up, there's the staircase. This soft staircase provides an easy and safe way for kids to move up and down between different play areas. With soft edges and colorful steps, the staircase becomes part of the playtime adventure while ensuring safety for all children. For those who love a little thrill, we've included the roller coaster. This specially designed feature brings all the excitement of a mini roller coaster to a safe, indoor environment. Kids can zoom down the gentle slopes while feeling the joy and excitement of the ride. Another fun feature is the pendulum foam swing. This unique swing provides hours of entertainment, gently rocking kids back and forth as they develop their balance and coordination skills. The soft foam padding ensures safety while adding an extra element of comfort and fun. The soft merry-go-round is sure to be a favorite. Kids can enjoy spinning around with their friends, sharing laughter and fun while safely enclosed in a soft and colorful structure. At Playdium in Surat, we've created an indoor soft play environment that combines physical activity, creativity, and social interaction, ensuring that kids have a blast while developing important skills. Adding to the excitement, we've also included Ludo Dice. This giant version of the classic board game adds an interactive twist to playtime, encouraging children to engage with each other while learning counting and strategy in a fun and playful way. It's perfect for sparking imagination and providing a cozy space for children to explore. Every element is designed with children's safety and enjoyment in mind, offering a vibrant and secure space where they can play and grow. Finally, we have the Caterpillar Tunnel. This cute and colorful tunnel offers kids a fun, hide-and-seek adventure while crawling through the playful caterpillar. If you enjoyed this tour of Playdium's soft play installation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on our latest installations.